Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage basic defense tutorials. In the beginning, let's go to Skills Trainer menu and go to Basic Defense. Here you can learn about tackling mechanic, hit stick, pass rush, red zone defense and coverage mechanics. Enter tutorial. And follow it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.